This is our contemporary design, hidden roof. You can see the woodwork. We are doing the flooring. This is the concrete layer. Then this is the cemented floor. We are using chemicals and which is water seal. We use water seal. After this first layer now, we'll put waterproof nylon. It's not nylon like that, it's waterproof. The nylon is very thick, so we'll put it. Then we'll put another layer of cement on top on it with chemicals. We have our waterproof chemicals. We have the powdered one and the liquid one. You can see the slope. You can see the slope. This is our inlet pipe, which is for the water channel. It's a very technical project. As you can see, look at the water level. This is the first layer now. We're still going to coat it with another layer with chemical and waterproof nylon, and we're going to spread on it to avoid water seepage, for water not to seep into the concrete, thereby causing issues to the house. You can see the water is ongoing. We are ready for the roofing sheet as it is. The roofing sheet is ready on it. If you need anyone, you call us. We'll give it to you. This is it. These are the inlet pipes. You can see the water level. You can see the slope of the water.